Hi, I'm Josh from Samsung, and I'm here at the RSC to show you how to shoot and view in 360. To get started, all you need to do is insert the memory card into the Samsung Gear 360 and then turn it on. From there, open the Samsung Gear 360 app on your smartphone, which is available to download from the Galaxy App Store. And next, you'll need to follow the instructions on screen to pair the Gear 360 with your smartphone. To record, simply hit the capture button on the front of the device to start recording video in 360. If you wanted to check the position of the camera and see the action for yourself, you can do this from the Gear 360 app. Just tap Camera. Once you've finished recording, you can preview the footage in the app's gallery. If you're happy with it, press Save to transfer it to your smartphone, and then it's ready to edit and share. It's really easy to watch your 360 footage. Simply tap on the video and then tap View on Gear VR. Then insert your phone and you're ready to view your masterpiece. It's just as easy to share your 360 video online. Open the Samsung Gear 360 app, go to your video, and then tap the share button. Facebook, YouTube, and the Samsung VR app are the best places to share your brilliant creations.